Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your device and OS are up to date, then open your browser and compare VPN plans. Pick a paid provider with AES 256 encryption and a clear no-logs policy because privacy matters. Once done, create an account and buy the plan that fits your needs. Make sure the provider lists servers near Hong Kong or in nearby countries for lower latency. Download the official app for your device and prepare your login credentials for the next step. You install the VPN app from the provider's official source and sign in with the account you created. Next, go into Settings and enable the kill switch so your traffic never leaks if the VPN drops. Select WireGuard or OpenVPN for a balance of speed and security, and use the provider's DNS to avoid leaks. Once configured, run a quick speed and leak test, compare latencies across servers, and select the server that gives the best stable performance for your use case. You connect to your chosen server and immediately verify your new IP and apparent location using an IP check. This confirms the VPN is working. If a site or service blocks you, switch protocol ports, try an obfuscated server, or choose a different nearby server to bypass DPI or blocks. If connection fails repeatedly, restart the app and device, then collect logs and contact support. A single troubleshooting tip: enable obfuscation or stealth mode first when you see repeated.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.